Hi, I'm Guld with Geeks on Tour, and I want to show you how I created this fun little meme for St. Patrick's Day using Google Slides. So here I am in Google Drive on my computer, and I'm opened a folder called Fun Stuff, and I click New. I want to make a new Google Slides. First thing, this meme will be a square, so I want to change the page setup to be custom and just make it 10 by 10, just anything to make it square. Then I don't want any of these placeholders. Now I want a picture of two Irish squirrels drinking green beer. Insert image, create image with Gemini. I give the prompt to create a fun image of two Irish squirrels drinking green beer in a field of clover and add a style, and I'll make it a sketch and create. That took just a few seconds and it gives me 4 choices. I like the ones where they have the green hats on. So I click on that and it goes to my slide. I'll resize it to take up the whole square. Now I want some words. I'm going to use the word art. So insert word art and I type Happy St. Patrick's Day and press enter. I'll move it up to the top. First I want to change the font. Memes usually use the font called Impact. Okay, now I will resize it. I still want it to take up the whole size. Then I'll put some color in it. Fill color, I like the gradient, and I'm going to use custom so that I can start with green and end with yellow. I think that's kind of cool, and let's see what it looks like. Okay, I like that. Now I want Jim's in my face in the corner, in the bottom corner, and I need to go get a photo. I'll insert image from Google Photos and find a picture of Jim and me. I like this one. Insert. But now I want to get rid of the background. This is another new feature. Now, you might not have this feature. I'll give you an option, but this is remove background on the selected picture. Look how easy that was. And I'll resize it, put it down in the corner. Now, if you don't have that feature, I'm just going to undo. You could crop that photo to a circle, and then that's not bad. And resize it a bit, and just put the circle down in the corner. That's still better than the big square. And if you didn't have the insert image, create image with Gemini, then my recommendation, I could go to another AI, for example, Copilot. You just go to copilot.microsoft.com. You do have to be signed in with a Microsoft account and ask for the same image. And these are pretty cute too. Right-click on it and copy image. Go back to my presentation and paste that image. Now I'll have to put it into the back. And lastly, I want to add some text at the bottom. I'm still going to use word art from Jim and Chris. Enter. Change the font. Change the size. And I could change the color, but that's not bad. There is my image. Now, how do I turn it into a JPEG? Very easy. File, download as a JPEG. give it a name, and save it. I now have this image on my computer. If I want to upload it to Google Photos, I can. Have fun making images using Google Slides.